Hey, Bubba Henson here. I'm a product specialist here at Eastern Industrial Supply. This morning we're going to talk about socket fusion. I have my Weedo small handheld. We'll need a Sharpie. We'll need our beveling tool, a tape measure, clean rag. 91% alcohol is required to clean our pipe today. We have our pipe and fittings. Most importantly, we have our recipe to help with our cook times, our cooling times, and our depth of insertion. NIRON offers socket fusion from 1/2 inch through 5 inch. Socket fusion is where we take a piece of pipe and a socket fitting, we heat them and mate them together. First thing we want to do is cut our pipe. We always want a good straight cut when we're doing socket fusion. I like to use these ratchet cutters. Take our time and get a good straight cut. Then we want to bevel the end of our pipe. 15-degree bevel just helps our pipe seat in our fitting better. Our next step is to clean our pipe and fitting with our 91% alcohol and our clean rag. We also want to clean our fitting, making sure that any debris or even the oil from our skin does not need to be in contact. A vital part of our socket fusion process is measuring our depth of insertion. For this 1/2 inch coupling, it's 3/4 of an inch. Then we want to transfer that to our pipe. Okay guys, let's review what we've done so far. We've got a good straight cut on our pipe. Our pipe has a 15-degree bevel. We've cleaned with our isopropyl alcohol. We've marked our depth of insertion. We have our tool heated to 500 degrees. That's the proper cooking heat. Now we're going to go to our recipe and find our cook time for 20mm pipe or 1/2 inch pipe. Our recipe tells us that 20mm needs to heat for 5 seconds, and it has a 3-minute cool time. Now we'll introduce our pipe and fitting to the heating head. Remember, we don't start our cooking time until we're fully inserted, pipe and fitting. As we get a good steady melt, we're up to our line and up to the hub in our fitting, and so we start counting. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005. We come away from the head and straight together. Now that we've mated our fitting and pipe, we have a few seconds to plumb it up and get it square. Okay? Another important thing to notice is our cool time. Our cool time on 20mm pipe is 3 minutes. After that cooling time is up, our pipe's good for service. So in this video, we have covered the steps for socket fusion. At Eastern, we have product specialists who come out in the field and train your team to do this very well. Please reach out to your Eastern branch for more information.